Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Wednesday, by the way. Yesterday we did smash the market very nicely, and the market was just trying to recover. And guess what? Now the market is going back again, and we don't really know what's really happening. But actually, we know because things are still bad in the market. Things are still bad in the market. So we just have to follow whatever the market is trying to give us. Simple as that. We don't have to fight the market. We just have to follow the market structure. So, for those who want to learn from me, you can learn from whoever you want, by the way. But those who want to learn from me, we have a Father's Day special, by the way, which is still here until month end. It's still $100. You can check there. We have. You can just check my contacts, WhatsApp me or Telegram me. That 150 is actually the normal price, but now it's $100. You can join as soon as possible. Monthly signals is $45 only, the signals. So please, if you are new to this channel, welcome to the channel, and don't forget that later on we're gonna go live before the market open, actually NASDAQ open or New York Stocks Exchange open. Then we're gonna go live and see what's really happening on NASDAQ and the other ones. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So let's go straight actually on the analysis. What's really happening here on Bitcoin? As you know, we start with Bitcoin. I can easily say or confidently say, I can say this with confidence and say, you know what? The market is still on a bearish move, guys. The market is still going down. The market is still going down very nicely. And I think it's quite easy for everyone to see that. And we see that the market here, it's the market consolidated before pushing lower. Even here, the market might do the same thing before pushing lower, or maybe the market might decide to push the upside, and we can say we can have a very nice buy. If the market breaks this resistance area, we can start to buy nicely from that. But it seems like the market is seriously struggling. Yesterday, actually, the time we were buying NASDAQs and US30s, the market was going up nicely. The market was going up very nice. But guess what? The market was here. Now the market is back again. So we'll see if the market is going to push up or not. But if not, we'll just relax and see what's really happening. I'm using 4 hours time frame here because I need to see the bigger picture. This thing, they've been creating some very crazy moves. So everything that we do here is not going to fit nicely on the chart. So guess what? We are on DAX. On German 40, what's really happening on German 40? On a 4 hours time frame, we can say, Kenzo, why not we draw something like a resistance on top there before we do some other things? We can try to do that, by the way. We can try to do that. But this was the one that we had nicely. You can see that. Then the market broke out of that. So I need to see if maybe around this area I will find something, which is actually, I don't think is there. I don't think it's there. So it means this area here, it's actually a very nice new structure that we have currently, which we just need to draw our thing. You can see I already drawn something there. So let's zoom very nice. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. So what do we see here? We see that, you know what? The market actually created something here. The market created something here. And I expect maybe the market to respect that area to push up. But on top here, I also see something like that where the market created some structure. So that's why I need to connect those structures and see if maybe they make sense, you see. But currently, honestly speaking, we don't really actually have a solid structure. We don't actually have a solid structure. So I have something like this, and I see the market is trying to bounce back from that area. Remember, there is a 4 hour time frame. So it means I can try maybe even to draw the second line like this. As you know, I use second lines because that is a zone. The market won't just respect my one line there. So it should be a wall, a very thick wall, by the way. When the market breaks that, we'll know that, oh, the market now is trying to do what? To push the upside. But this gives us a chance to say, oh, maybe the market wants to do what? To push up maybe and create something like that, maybe before even breaking to the upside. But Now, actually, the market, we know very well that the market is still on bearish move. You see, we're still on bearish move. That's what I'm expecting. That's why we can see the market maybe trying to push up. We can say, Kenzo, why don't you go on a bit smaller time frame? We can say, let's go on an 1 hour time frame and try to see. You see that? It's still clear. I drawn that because I saw the market trying to respect that area. You can see the candles closed very nicely around this area. So I'm expecting the market to push up. If maybe you're watching this very early and the market is still maybe around that area, you can just say, maybe I can buy, have something like this. Then maybe the market will reach around that area. And maybe you can have some very nice entries. I mean, some very nice profits from that entry. Simple as that. You don't have to complicate things, by the way. So let's push the next one, which is gold, which we smashed very bad. We smashed this one since the day before yesterday. What's really happening on gold? It was straightforward, by the way. As you see, I've been preaching about this downtrend for some time. You can see that I tried to draw everything there. As you can see, the market was going down nicely. We have that resistance. So when we go very closer, you can see that, okay, the market actually was on that resistance, and I saw the market respecting this area here, which confirmed that, oh, the market is actually going down. And here we have a counter trend line which is still going to the lower side. And guess what? I hope in the team they did take that signal. That's why I did not remove this risk and reward ratio. So you can see that, yes, if they did enter, they entered around this area, and look where the market is now, you see. So it means, yes, we smashed that. And if you want to learn from me, guys, already you know what to do. You can just check my contacts and try to WhatsApp me or Telegram me or even call me, you see. So I'm expecting the market to go lower, and around this area I'm expecting some sort of a support. Maybe the market will bounce around this area and push the upside. For us to say maybe we can have a very nice buy, it means actually it's where we need to see the market breaking out our resistance and starting to push the upside. We can have, we can say we need to buy actually with confidence, but confident that doesn't mean that you will always be right. You will always be right, but it will help you actually to understand the market very nicely. So let's push the next one, which is oil, US oil. So what's really happening on US oil? It's quite straightforward, quite simple. What do we see here is the market actually, if I can show you like this, you can easily see that, yes, the market actually it's on a very nice uptrend. Even though the market gave us a counter trend line, the market did go down there. But besides that, when we go very closer, you can see that, oh, the market was selling, started to sell off around that area. Let me remove these things. They might be confusing you. I think there are too many. Let me remove even that. So what we see is, you see that the market broke out, retested, we sold. Now the market retested here again. Remember this area? Now the market went down. And this is an area where I expected the market to reach, and it seems like the market is there actually. So we have a buy pending order. When the market pushes up, it's where we can say, you know what, there it's our time to do what, to buy, maybe something like that. We can have something like that. These are some great, these are great signals, guys. These are some of the great signals that you can get out there. So if just because this is a support area, you can have a buy pending order. When the market starts to push the upside, your order will be ready, by the way. Your order will be ready, and then it will be triggered and you can start to eat. Yes, the opposite can happen. The market might break this area and start to push the lower side. That is also possible. And if the market does that, it means that we will say, oh, maybe now the market is selling off. Yes, I want oil to go down because things are starting to get expensive. When oil is going up, guys, we know that inflation is going up, prices are going up. That's why we want oil to go down a little bit. Let's see on sorry about that. So now we are on US30, by the way. What do we see on US30? This is 4 hours time frame, by the way, guys. I'm using a 4 hour time frame because the market is giving us some crazy moves. So for us to see or to able to identify this type of moves, we need to use a bit bigger time frame. Yes, we can see that yes, the market is actually trying to give us actually some push here, but if I check nicely, this is not like seriously some nice structures that we can have, but we don't have a choice. Just to we just have to have something. We have to have something, but it's still early because the market is not open yet. So we need to go on a bit smaller time frame. So this is what we have actually. On a bit smaller time frame, this is what we have. Yesterday, you remember the market was going up, and later on we saw the market going down. And when we check, we have a very nice structure. Actually, this structure, for those who in the group who entered the structures, I don't think maybe this structure is way too solid, as there is no solid structure. So which means once you get into profit, small profits, try to close your profits, because yes, we are still on this downtrend. But at the same time, it seems like the market wants to push the upside as we reached the lowest level. So I'm expecting the market to push the upside, by the way, even if we see that yes, on top here we see something like a resistance. But if we check that resistance, it's not touched 3 times, so it means it's still very weak, by the way, as yesterday we had something like that as a resistance which was broken. So I'm expecting the market actually to push the upside, but anything can still happen. I can't control the market. So this is what I see, by the way. So let's push the next one, which is NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, my favorite, by the way. On 1 hour time frame, I think you can see very nicely that yes, the market is trying to create these 3 points touches where it confirms with us that this might be a very nice support area pushing to the upside. That yes, it's there, but it's not like it's crazy solid a support, because you know what, we're still bleeding on this downtrend, guys. The market is still on this crazy downtrend, which we broken out yesterday, and we made something yesterday, and now we see the market selling off again, and it's giving us another structure, and we don't have any choice but to act on that structure. Why? Because we are day traders. So what we see here is actually simple to us to say, you know what, whatever that you're going to do there, don't just hold trades longer, as the market can go up and down. 2 candlesticks is fine, guys, or whether on 1 hour or whatever, then still, and it's still actually pre-market, so it means the market can still consolidate, and you should be safe in the market. So this is 4 hours time frame. If I try to draw maybe something, I see the market respected that area. This also gives me something. So the best thing that you can do when things are seriously complicated like this, the best thing is to follow the structures. And from there, it's where you can just say, you know what, I don't know much. As long as the structure is telling me to buy or to sell, I will always follow that. That actually reduces your job of over guessing. You always guess things, and that sometimes might push us to lose, you see, and that is something that we don't really want. Simple as that. So guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to join the team, you know what to do. You can just check my contacts there. Down there, you can just talk to me. My preferred actually broker, it's Xness. You can check the link below. You can just talk to me. I mean, you can just register if you want to register. But if you want to join the team, then you can just talk to me. Simple as that, as we have the special for $100. And it's 12 months actually straight, signals and mentorship. Simple as that. So I hope we're gonna meet later on. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.